All right, let's take a look back at this day in history, all the way back in 2014 when Meta Platforms agreed to buy WhatsApp, a roughly $20 billion deal that to date remains the most money Mark Zuckerberg has ever paid to buy another company. And while it was derided at the time as being too costly, WhatsApp came along at a precipitous time for Meta. Facebook's main platform was almost a decade old at the time, and in the fast-moving world of tech was really starting to show its age, particularly as a new generation of social media users were gravitating to mobile-first apps like Snapchat. While WhatsApp had about 450 million members at the time, less than half of Facebook's, the mobile-first messaging service was adding about 1 million users each day, way faster than Facebook. The deal came 2 years after Zuckerberg bought Instagram for similar reasons, but for a relative steal of just about $700 million. Today, at a valuation of more than $100 billion, Instagram is considered one of the greatest corporate purchases ever based on the return on investment. And while Meta doesn't detail financials for WhatsApp, it's widely considered to be a bit of a financial dud. The business was only generating about $10 million in annual revenue at the time of a deal, primarily through a subscription model that has since been scrapped in favor of an ad-based model. And that brings us back to the future. What is the true value of WhatsApp to Meta? Analysts at William Blair last month say Meta's push into AI services for businesses may finally provide that answer. Meta already offers click-to-message ads on Instagram and on Facebook, a style of revenue that Zuckerberg says is generating more than $10 billion in revenue. Deeper integration with a direct messaging service like WhatsApp could accelerate that in a big way. And maybe that's why Zuckerberg, back in 2019, tried to reassure investors about that deal, saying Facebook's other products should look more like WhatsApp, saying, as I believe the future of communication will increasingly shift to private, encrypted services, this is the future I hope we will help bring about.